Welcome to the fascinating world of traffic signals. Today we have a pole foundation, and y'all missed the morning, but the hole is drilled out and we're about to pour concrete in it. About ready to go. Let's get right into it. I need to drill out one more time, I'm assuming. Gonna have to. It's got to be caving in pretty good.
Why's that?
Because you're at 11 foot again.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. We're gonna have to.
This amount of chutes will probably do it.
Okay.
If I can get you backed up closer to it. All right, hope this truck don't fall in. South way until we get depth. Get the excavator over here. Go back up. Don't give me none. Yeah, hold it. I'm it. Hey Cody, when you come out, hop off, give me a hand getting this thing pumped out and concrete going in the hole. Just wash it off. I mean, we may be enough. I don't love it, but I'm gonna get your chute over here. Yeah, you good with it for now? Get a little, yeah, you can give me some. Not yet. I'm gonna try to get a few feet of this concrete in first. Hey, go help him get that cage up.
You want it down for?
Nah, I'll show you, but go start that pump. And get it ready, get it in the hole. Appreciate it. Oh. Move that whole pump kind of out the way for a second because I got to get the excavator right here. Push that in. Gotta hold that. Oh man, I need you to get a shovel so we can hold that off the wall. Raise your chute up. All right, go ahead, give me some concrete. You can speed it up a little bit. Blowout. We're gonna lose a good amount of concrete. Slow it down a little bit. I still got that tape measure somewhere. Yeah, oh yeah, that was gonna happen. All right, got it. Go ahead and pull your chute up. Get ready for a sloppy one. Fuck. Cable up. Ooh. Yeah, you can swing over that way. Hold that, Cody. Well, this one's gonna be a mess. Storm drain must have came through here at one point, because whenever he started digging for them pipes, they went about 1.5 feet deep, and then the void opened up. And there's a void damn near all the way around our from this side over, and real deep around this guy that it just keeps feeding underneath that slip case. So we gonna make her look as good as we can, but it's gonna be a fun one. All right, I think the best way to get here. Cody, please don't kill me. I need you to pick up and just move this thing over to the right. Get it out of our way for the time being. Go ahead. Be ready with that sonotube. Up, up, up. All right, boom right. Go ahead. Damn near, maybe need to cut it. No, you good. A 4-foot level should be in the bed of my truck. If you can find that, please, sir. And conduits ready, and our bolts. Bring your chute down here for me. Or once we put the level on this thing, let's try to get a little more concrete in here first. Yeah, it's all here. Got it. Oh, what you got? Yeah, we're about to have to just move her out of the way, get the conduit squared up, and then throw a lot of dirt in this. Try to get, I need the excavator almost over here where we can get dirt and poured in this. Need a little bit to cover up this concrete. Go ahead and unlock your chute, raise it and unlock it. And Randall, if you could, try to get her, can you go higher than the excavator arm and on that side? And Randall, if you could move that pump and everything, make sure we ain't gonna about to pour concrete all over that. Supposed to go be a little less stressful on the coast. I think I've had 4 phone calls in the past fucking 3 minutes. Keeps ringing. Road. Yeah, I'm gonna just go straight with the road. And then if you want to get the duct tape out or triple check the measurements around it, then get the duct tape out and tape them pipes up in the center. And let's dump concrete in it. All right, trying to beat the rain. Also trying to fill in this hole with dirt with a tiny trenching bucket. I'd go up to the top. Sonotube should hold it. Foundation is pretty. I don't think any of them around here have been pretty. But they happen. That's good, Randall. Again, you can't kill all of her water. She needs it too. Pulling that slip case around and out of the way, and they can set it down. Go help him here in a second with that. And then we're gonna keep up with the dirt until this area looks fairly decent. Give me a second, Cody. You want to get right here, so all you got to do is swing right, lay it down. We're about to set this thing down. Watch yourself. Back up, Randall. No, we were too hot.
This thing takes a little second to get power.
Yeah. Job site, got to add some more concrete to it, but for having from here all the way out to here all a giant void about 5 feet 6 feet deep, she's looking pretty good. I think what happened here, maybe this storm drain here used to interconnect, come right through here and run maybe for the drainage over the Waffle House parking lot or something, I don't know. Dress up. I'm hoping not. As long as it evenly goes a little bit lower, I ain't too upset about it. Alright guys, so the foundation went, obviously y'all saw that, but let's end the day on a little bit of a emergency call. We just got called out here to Angel Bethel and Highway 49 saying there's a detection issue. I've already been paying attention, but I'm gonna say there's an issue with this camera up here that's facing this approach, as they are the ones getting a constant call without a vehicle present, from at least from what I can look at. See, let's open up this cabinet, if I can hold my finger on it right. And let's take a look. First thing I'm gonna look at is the iTerrace CCU, and as you can see, one of these cables, the indication light is not on, meaning high chances that there's a short on that camera that's going to then put in a constant call. We can look over here by the cabinet. You got phase 4 as the approach. Phase 4 is on and still has a call. As you can see, nobody is on the approach, but they have a call. So we can unplug it, and you can see that one indication light boots right back up. Plug it in, and you can see it turns off. So let's just disconnect it from that, put in a call on phase 4. It's gonna keep doing it, but I have to get a bucket truck because I just caught myself and I can't live with it, because I pointed earlier to the one by the cabinet, this camera, saying, oh, the connector's bad in this one. It's really this one over here. The connector on this camera, on the mast arm across the road, that one has the water inside the port in the cable, however, but it's definitely water on the port up there. Needs some dielectric grease, needs a new terminated end. Possibly the camera shorted out, fried too. Who knows? But we'll find out next time. And as always, thanks for watching.